Have you ever wondered what goes on inside the mind of a bear? Are they just cuddly, honey-loving creatures from storybooks? Or is there something more complex, more fascinating, lurking beneath that furry exterior? What if I told you that some bears build daybeds just for napping, or that the polar bear isn't actually white? Stick around, because we're about to journey into the wild and uncover 5 mind-blowing facts about bears that will completely change the way you see them. Let's dive right in with our first fact, which takes us to the dense, bamboo-filled forests of China. We all know the giant panda, right? That adorable black and white icon of conservation. For years, scientists classified them in their own unique family. But DNA evidence has settled the debate once and for all. Giant pandas are, in fact, true bears. They belong to the Ursidae family, just like grizzlies and polar bears. What's even more fascinating is their diet. While other bears are omnivores, eating a mix of plants and meat, the panda has evolved to almost exclusively eat bamboo. They spend up to 14 hours a day just eating, consuming over 25 pounds of bamboo to get the nutrients they need. This specialized diet is a perfect example of how evolution shapes a species to fit its unique environment. It's a full-time job just to stay full. Now, let's travel from the bamboo forests to the icy landscapes of the Arctic for our second fact. Picture a polar bear. What color do you see? White, of course. But here's the twist. Polar bear fur isn't white at all. Each hair is actually a transparent, hollow tube. So, why do they look white? It's all about the science of light. These hollow hairs scatter and reflect visible light, much like snow does, creating the brilliant white appearance that serves as perfect camouflage in their snowy habitat. But there's more. Beneath that deceptive fur, a polar bear's skin is jet black. This black skin is incredibly effective at absorbing the sun's heat, helping them stay warm in one of the coldest places on Earth. So, the next time you see a polar bear, remember you're looking at a master of thermal regulation and an optical illusion, all rolled into one magnificent animal. For our third fact, let's talk about something we can all relate to: the need for a good nap. But black bears take napping to a whole new level. While they are known for their long winter hibernation, they are also avid daytime nappers, especially during the warm summer months, and they don't just plop down anywhere. Black bears are skilled architects of comfort. They will often create daybeds by scraping away leaves and forest debris to form a shallow depression, or by trampling down tall grasses and vegetation to make a soft, comfortable mat. They'll find a secluded, shady spot and custom build their own little lounge area for an afternoon snooze. It's not just laziness, it's a smart energy-saving strategy. By resting during the hottest parts of the day, they conserve precious energy for foraging in the cooler mornings and evenings. Who knew bears were such connoisseurs of comfort? Ready for fact number 4. This one might surprise you. Think about the fastest land animals. You probably picture a cheetah or a gazelle, but would you ever put a grizzly bear on that list? You should. Despite their massive size, with some males weighing over 800 pounds, grizzly bears are incredibly fast. They can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour for short distances. To put that in perspective, that's faster than the 28 miles per hour that Usain Bolt, the fastest human in history, ever achieved. Their speed comes from the immense power in their legs and a large muscle hump on their shoulders, which is unique to brown and grizzly bears. This hump is pure muscle, powering their forelimbs for digging and for explosive bursts of speed. So, if you ever see a grizzly in the wild, don't think you can outrun it. Their speed is a powerful reminder that these are formidable predators, not just lumbering giants. We've arrived at our final fascinating fact, and it's all about a bear's incredible sense of smell. You think a bloodhound has a good nose? A bear's sense of smell is on a whole other planet. It's estimated that a bear's sense of smell is about 7 times better than a bloodhound's, and over 2,000 times better than a human's. Their nasal mucous membrane, the area inside the nose that detects scents, is about 100 times larger than ours. This allows them to detect a food source, a potential mate, or a rival from miles away. A polar bear, for example, can smell a seal on the ice up to 20 miles away. This supersense is their most important tool for survival. It guides them to food, warns them of danger, and helps them navigate their world. It's like having a built-in GPS that runs on scent. And there you have it. 5 incredible facts that prove bears are so much more than meets the eye. From the true identity of the panda and the optical illusion of the polar bear, to the architectural skills of the black bear, the shocking speed of the grizzly, and their phenomenal sense of smell. These animals are a perfect blend of power, intelligence, and incredible adaptation. The more we learn about them, the more we can appreciate their vital role in our planet's ecosystems. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of bears. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. We'll see you in the next video.